How to fix iPad stuck in headphone mode. So basically, whenever you can't hear its sound. So if your Apple iPad is stuck in headphone mode, it usually means the device thinks your headphones are still connected even when they're not. So one of the first things you can do is, if you have any sort of casings, you can go ahead and take those off so that you can check for any kind of debris inside your iPad or the port itself. So start by checking the headphone port or the charging port for dust. So just go ahead and take off your casing if you have one, like so. And if your iPad has a port, you can go ahead and take a look at those. In our case, we don't really have a port on this iPad, but if you did, you can go ahead and clean it with, let's say, something that fits in the hole using a toothpick or some sort of compressed air. And next you can do is to try and plug in and remove your headphones a few times to reset the connection. And make sure your Bluetooth is turned off so the iPad isn't routing audio to a wireless device. So go ahead and just turn off your Bluetooth as well. And of course, make sure you are not on silent mode. Just go ahead and turn that off. And if the issue persists, you can restart your iPad by holding the button like so, and you'll get a few options, either to shut it down or to restart. Both should technically do the same. Another is to go ahead into your settings, and then once you're in your settings, you can go ahead either in the sound section or accessibility option to ensure that your audio isn't being redirected. So another is to update your iPad OS, and that could fix bugs causing the problem. So check for available updates, and as a last resort, you can try resetting all the settings without deleting your data. And this could possibly clear any glitches as well, and if none of these work, the issue might be hardware related, and you may need to contact Apple support or visit a service center. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you are having the headphone mode that is stuck and you still can't hear anything even though there's no headphones. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.